Howdy friends, let's talk about Lumen5. Lumen5 is an automatic social video production app. Lumen5 takes blog posts that are published from your blogs, your clients' blogs, your personal blogs, and automatically lines up a social recap video, a short 1 to 2 minute highlight BuzzFeed style video with text, sound, and images, both from the blog post and then also stock images and video. What's cool is that Lumen5 packages this all together in a nearly done fashion. I like that you don't have to come to Lumen5 after publishing a blog post and spend a great deal of time on the video. You can come and do minor edits, tweaks, and then you will have a very, very usable social share video. Lumen5 also connects with some social networks for automatic posting, and we'll take a look at that in a minute. It is a very cool tool that I first came in contact with via an AppSumo deal, and now they've got some really fair and quality pricing options, which we will take a look at. But first, let's see a Lumen5 video. This is a medical facility that I work with, and they publish blog posts on health and wellness related topics, and check out this video. Now here's the conclusion of the video. So you see how fresh and exciting that video was? It had a background track. It took the words of or highlights from the blog post, and it created the interactive text with background. And it also integrated really well placed stock video footage and stock images to create a beautiful video recap that could be shared on YouTube. The video could be, of course, shared on social networks, and then it can be back integrated onto the blog post itself as a beautiful component of the blog post. So there's so much potential with Lumen5, and I tell you, that video, I'm not sure I edited that video at all. I believe that video took me hitting publish. It was that solid and that well produced. And Lumen5 has had at least 2 years now refining their systems and their product, and they've got something that's very nice. So these are some of the features. Easily transform articles and blog posts into video content. You can actually take a link, you can work on back content, so you could take a link to an article or blog post, and Lumen5 will automatically fetch the content and populate your video storyboard, again for light or potentially even no editing on your part. You can copy and paste. If your content is an offline document, simply copy and paste the text into Lumen5 to begin building your video. So you could take a term paper or an ebook or an outline or some other type of traditional text-based writing that you have produced or have your hands on, and you can bring it in, paste it into Lumen5, and have it create a video storyboard from that text. That is amazing. The RSS feed feature is what I've been referring to. I have my blog connected, my blog RSS feed connected to Lumen5, so anytime there's a new post, there's an automatic Lumen5 video storyboard produced. If you're really into video producing, you can get into this. You can adjust the scene length, the positioning of the text, the keyword highlighting. You can, of course, add your own video clips and still images. You can import and bring in your own music. You can have branding, logo, and watermarks, control over the font choices. They've added a great amount of video resolutions that will look great on in a variety of formats and platforms. They, of course, integrate with Instagram stories and are now working on really plugging in with Facebook stories as well. So these are the plans. The starter plan is $19 a month. The premium is $49 a month. And they also have a free forever. 5 videos a month, popular themes. It would have Lumen5 branding on it. But certainly the free plan would be a really good way for a small business builder to start. I use Lumen5 with both personal sites and client sites, and I find it easy to toggle between the dashboards, which I'll show you. These are some blog posts from Lumen. They're another one of these educational web apps, meaning that they produce high quality articles and blog posts related to online marketing. So I appreciate that they are a resource in the field, and there's a lot of great material there. Now let's take a look at my Lumen5 account. So right here, I can toggle between my clients or those that I'm working with or my personal sites. I can see videos that have been automatically generated. I can click into one. I can, right from the Lumen5 dashboard, I can upload to Facebook, I can share on Instagram, I can download it to use it elsewhere. I can preview the video here. I can click to edit the video. So here's the text on the left. This is, on the far left, is the storyboard dashboard. And then on the right, or main body, you see the slides or scenes. And these show the text and then the images associated. And you can bring in media slide by slide. Some are free, and or many are free, and there are some paid. So I just brought that video in to that particular slide. You can add new slides. You can adjust the text, the length of the scene. You can reorder the slides or the scenes. Again, it's lined out the storyboard based on the flow of your text. You can choose a new piece to remove or add. So this isn't a very long blog post here. And they've stretched it out into about 10 scenes. Here's music. You can choose from there or upload. There are different styles. Some styles are only available on the higher tier plans. You can choose your video orientation depending on your target platform. And then preview your video. What's so cool is the way that you can really work through a back catalog of content. So if you bring this tool to an existing client or an existing platform, you can quickly churn out a batch of videos that are so nice. The instant videos are the videos that are created from your RSS feeds. So you can see I've got quite a few of these here. Again, Lumen5 is a really intuitive tool. It's a part of my forever marketing stack. It has similarities to Missing Letter. Lumen5 doesn't create an ongoing social campaign. It creates the video and then empowers you to share it or download it and integrate it. But it's not reposting and recycling content in the same way that Missing Letter and some other social media aggregators do. But it creates the social video for you, which is absolutely stunning. So it's one of those no-brainers in a sense. If you're creating content, why not have one extra step, very small extra step, and then generate a video from your text. So you can go from text and have a video made that's ready for YouTube and ready for the social platforms and ready to be integrated back into your blog post. So thank you for listening to this Platform Shop tutorial on Lumen5. I hope this was informative for you, and I hope this helps you consider this amazing tool in your workflow. We would definitely appreciate it if you would subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and God bless. Bye.